Flourishes and featherweights, kills the viruses. Damn right.
All right, quick one for the cretins. Last week, I got all the pistons out, spit shine the cylinders, gapped the rings, got everything back in, all torqued down, and got the cam in. But there was something that kind of bothered me. When I had this thing flipped over and I was torquing the rod bolts down, some of them, I was using this good old Schittsburg right here, and some of those did not feel like 51 foot-pounds. In fact, some of them, like, not like the bolt was going to snap or anything, but some of them were a little chewy. Someone was like, hey, that's way too fucking tight. Or, hey, that feels like, 30 foot-pounds. So, I actually borrowed my buddy's snap-on digital torque wrench. And I thought it would be a cool video to kind of compare them, since it's got a breakaway digital torque finder doodad science on it. So I plan on going back over all the rods, 51 foot-pounds with this one, and then putting this on off, and then seeing what the Pittsburgh actually did. And I thought it'd be some cool info for you filthy animals. And, alright, so we're going to get this thing flipped over and we're going to start at it. Alright. Wind this dude up. 51 foot-pounds. I don't remember what size these were. I think they were 13. Nope, 7. 10. It's a 10, right? It's all a 10. I was right the first time. It was 11. Isn't that bone? Got clickage. It clicked, it clacked. Knick knack paddywhack. Ooh, I went the wrong way. Nah, I just got to round it off. It's okay. It's fine. I would break a bolt in half on camera. These indestructible junkyard rod bolts. Clickety clack. Click clack. You guys should work more often when you're sleep deprived. It's exhilarating. You don't even know what you did. Come on. All right, 51. What it was, it's what the cookie crumbles. I'm gonna put the snap-on on. Oh, sweet, it's already a 3/8. It's not even gonna fit in the engine now. Flex head. How these batteries go in? What's my flashlight? This thing's still pointed at shit. Yeah, it's still good. It's good. It's good. We're gonna go out on a limb and say they're going on like this. See what happens. The guy who lent me this is probably watching this like, ah, what a retard. Can't believe I let this guy borrow my shit. Oh my god, it made noise. We did it. We're live. Nintendo. All right. Put it on off. Let's see if it has a setting on here. 10, 20. 39. Interessante. That one's right. We're gonna loosen them up. Six. Flip it over to taut. Boink. Put this one more time. It's on the money. See what this tail tells us. One was like 36 and one was like 50. Is it on off? Is it on oof? $44. $45. A little bit more consistent. All right. Those are good. They're good. $36, $51, $45, $45. Let's see what these are. 49. 48. So far, it only lied to me on one. Take that information and put it in your pipe and smoke it. All right. $52. $48. So those were kind of on the money, right on the nose. All right. We're beeping. We're beeping. It's 2020. We're not clicking anymore. We're beeping. I still like the click type better though, because I am also antiquated garbage. $46. $48. We're getting the flow on now. We're flowing and going. Flow from progressive. 47. 50. Pretty close. Maybe I'm just being paranoid. Maybe I'm just being paranoid and talking to myself in a garage. We all got our problems, right? I had an accident when I was little. Didn't affect me, didn't affect me, didn't affect me. Oh. 46. 47. Beep beep. Beep beep. 51.8. It's like stopping around like 51.8. It's telling me numbers and it makes me comfy. Makes me sleep at night. That one was on the nose. That was pretty close, 48. So we had one that was 36, and I pushed some buttons and probably screwed myself. One that was 36, and that's it. That's all she wrote. Go back over all of them real quick. Go through all this trouble when they were fine. Loosen one, forget to tighten it. That's what'll happen to me. I know it, I feel it in my bones. Stay. Good torque wrench. Alright, we're torqued to 51 foot-pounds, feet-pounds, not inch-pounds. Alright. Never owned one of these. Do you gotta zero them out even if they're digital? I don't even know. Oh shit. I'll loop back around. Okay. We're just gonna do it anyway. Probably didn't even have to do that. Take the batteries out like a good neighbor. Alright, so that's what you need to know. 1 out of 16 times you might have an issue. Yeah. Hands are oily. All right, we'll see you later.